Hello again everybody, Asaw Filipina here, and today's video we're gonna do barefoot driving. We're gonna do barefoot because I have stiletto shoes I forgot to bring. My gosh, I prepared for that for today, but things happen for a reason. Charot. Okay, at least now there's a lot of people there. For now, we're going to use nothing. So barefoot driving. So barefoot driving for today on the way to San Carlos. And today is All Souls Day. A lot of people in the road this time because they're going to cemetery to light candles. And we'll just chilling myself. Chilling. So, okay, foot brake, drive, little left, and let's do barefoot driving. There's an accident there a while. Look, if the car wash is open, then I will go to car wash. And also maybe I have to go. I was planning to go to salon too. So only the problem of salon is, my God, takes time for the nail coloring, but takes about 1 hour more. That makes me tired of like waiting there and going dark. See what we have here. People are in the cemetery. Welcome to San Carlos City. This is our city. It's small but clean. Oh my gosh. It's kind of cloudy. So I need to clean my car. My best friend, my busy buddy is my car. Need to go to salon for my nails. I do this to my foot because it was like killing the time. It's traffic. So we're almost there in a car wash. Open. Yes, they're open. Excuse me, mana na? Apa sunod? Apa bakante ka naman na?
Ako rin sa Carwash boy ma'am na paabot ra ka.
Kana, mana to?
Oh mana?
Ya kana na lang.
Oh.
Ako ra ibilin ba?
Ay bilin lang diyan na.
Ala lang part ko likod. Okay, so we have to clean the car.